yá ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ information kan ni mo mú wá fún yín information kan ò ní mo mú wá fún yín mi ò wá lè sọ o ó ṣeé ṣe ká ti rí nínú ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi tẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ information yẹn àbí tẹ́ ẹ ti rí but èmi ẹ̀kẹ́ rí information yẹn ni but fún àǹfààní àwọn tí wọ́n lè má tiẹ̀ tí ì rí tọ́tí ẹ̀ lè má tiẹ̀ tí kò máa kọsẹ̀ rárá mo wá ní àṣọ bọ́n ṣe ju information yìí sí mi àmì gbọ́dọ̀ má jù sí àwọn tèmi náà ẹ gbọ́ ta ló sù Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sí court allegedly wọ́n ní wọ́n sù Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sí court ẹ gbọ́ ṣé lóòótọ́ ni torí nínú platform tí mo ti gbọ́ yẹn ẹni yẹn máa yànnà náà ọ̀gán o ó tú àwọn àṣírí kan mo wá wò pé bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bó ṣe ń dó Dino Melaye bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bó ṣe ń dó Apostle Suleiman bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bó ṣe ń dó kí ló kọ pásítọ̀ yìí náà mo wá wò pé abalajọ so àwọn tó ń tì wọ́n lẹ́yìn náà lélẹ́yìí tó máa lérí wípé máa make sure pé ó lọ sẹ́wọ̀n máa make sure pé ó ṣègbà kan máa make sure pé ó ṣàwó kan so àwọn alágbára tó wà lẹ́yìn wọn náà lélẹ́yìí àwọn tó ń go out pẹ̀lú náà lélẹ́yìí tó fi ń lágbára lórí àwọn tó bá ti kọ́ máa kàn sí wọn tó bá ti ṣẹ̀ wọ́n ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí ò tó nǹkan ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kékeré tẹ́ bá ti jọ ní gbólóhùn aṣọ ó ti di pé máa rán ẹlẹ́wọ̀n máa talé nítorí títí ẹ máa jẹ gbèsè nítorí kí rán ẹlẹ́wọ̀n kí ní kan ṣe wọ́n ní ẹ wá gbọ́ bí àṣírí ṣe ń tú ẹ wá gbọ́ bó ṣe ń yẹ̀yẹ̀ Ìyábọ̀ ó mà ga o wọ́n tún ní báwo náà ilé ìbò ṣe máa ń lo English yẹn náà stealing by trick òun àtẹ̀yàn kan wọn náà jọ ṣiṣẹ́ kan papọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ fẹ́ dá yẹn ní in fact gbogbo igi tó ń wò mí wọ́n á wù lọ́kàn tèmi pé so Ìyábọ̀ tó ń arrest èèyàn Ìyábọ̀ tó ń gbé èèyàn lọ sí court ló wá dẹni tó wá ń gbé lọ sí court báyìí sí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣó ojú ayé tó o bá gbàgbé fídíò tí mo ṣiṣẹ́ fún ẹ tí ò tí pẹ́ tí mo ní kó lọ túbá ṣé wọn pọ́n kan ti sọ́mọ yẹn pé omi ti tán lẹ́yìn ẹja ẹ ṣé o ti rí i pé lóòótọ́ ń sìn omi ti tán lẹ́yìn ẹja ẹ wọ́n ní ti princess náà ti bá ń sìn àti ìmọ̀ nǹkan tó kọlù yẹn náà gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe dáadáa o ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe dáadáa o tógun bá jẹ lọ ọgbọ̀n máa jẹ bọ o àṣegbé ò sí láyé o àṣepamọ́ ló wà o gbogbo nǹkan tó o bá ṣe ò ṣe pamọ́ ni Ìyábọ̀ ló wá dẹni tó ń gbé lọ sí kóòtù sí àwọn kan tiẹ̀ sọ pé láéláyé kò lè jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan ni mo ní kílẹ̀ rí tẹ́fi ní kò lè jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ Ìyábọ̀ ọ̀fọ́ bíbí mo ní ṣé Ìyábọ̀ kọjá òfin ni ṣé Ìyábọ̀ kọjá òfin ni tó bá fi lè mú bàbá wọn Ọbásanjọ́ nígbà yẹn tí Abacha arrest ẹ̀ tọ́dẹ̀ ti dájọ́ kú òkè ta ló wá fẹ́ kọjá òfin tó o bá ti ṣẹ̀ àwọn tí wọn ò lè dáríjì ẹ̀ tó o bá ti ṣẹ̀ síbi tí o ti ní agbára mọ́ gbàgbé ẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó kọjá òfin ṣé ẹ̀rí nǹkan tá a yìí máa ń wò pé àwọn èèyàn kan kọjá òfin ni wípé tó bá ń bá àwọn alágbára dì tó bá ń bá àwọn tó di Nàìjíríà mú tó bá ń bá wọn dì yá ẹ máa wò ó pé bóyá wọn kọjá òfin ni wọn ò kọjá òfin wọn tẹ òfin lójúmọ́lẹ̀ ni wọn tẹ òfin lójúmọ́lẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó kọjá òfin òfin gọ́gùn mẹ́ni tó dáa bọ̀ tó bá ti ń bá àwọn alágbára yẹn rìn àwọn yẹn máa ń tẹ ojú òfin mọ́lẹ̀ tí kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ irú ẹni tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó yẹn náà nísìn wọn náà wọn tó sọpọ́tì ẹ̀ àwọn alágbára ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ń dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ròyìn bóun àti Dino Melaye bọ́yẹ tutọ́ sára wọn ní ojú ẹ̀wò kó má dẹ̀ bá yẹn pé bóyá èmi ni mo sọ gbogbo ibi tó ń wò mí ẹ̀jọ̀ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ bá mi share ó wà most important ẹ bá mi share fáǹfààní yín tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe ẹ subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV káta máa jẹ ìgbádùn ètò yìí lọ mo ń sọ náà mo ní ó possible kẹ́yìn kan ti rí o but mo mọ̀ pé àwọn tí wọn ò tí ì rí wọ́n máa pọ̀jù àwọn tí wọ́n ti rí lọ àwa lè torí pé bóyá àwọn kan á ti rí káwa tó pé ká ìgbìmọ̀ ẹ̀ no ẹ jẹ́ ká ro tàwọn tí wọn ò tí ì rí náà òun mo ṣe mẹ́yìn pé ẹ ṣe àfidíò yìí ó yá ẹ má bá mi ká lọ. Irọ́ obìnrin lèké.
Yabo sent it to Dino. Yabo sent that voice note to Dino. So that particular voice note, she now shared it with Omobish as a friend. So he said because see Ayo Williams, to get Alabosi, Ayo Williams now had that video, that voice note and kept it. And was waiting for me to play voice notes here. Exactly what Omobish did. So she now kept that voice note for a long time. Yabo did not know. Yabo was still calling my bestie. So when they fell apart, so I saw him more. But Omobish the voice notes. Go out 3 years. Yeah, very time. She now took it and was like, listen, I will just egg. Didn't know. Yabo is better than as she can do. I didn't say how, but I know how she was doing that time when she was sending message to the. Mafia, we will be winning me. Mafia, we will be winning me. I will tell you that I'm a woman. That is how they have been doing. Think you are doing come and marry for girls. Do you know since that time? Don't tell anybody. Do you know since that time, Dino has not had a stable relationship. In fact, want to be Bible, want to shoot. Do you know that since that time, Uncle Dino has not had a good relationship. Could it be the cases from Yabo? He said, you went about telling everybody, you're welcome, telling everybody that I'm not this, I am not that. You weren't telling everybody. You even told that one that is selling Kayamata that I am not your girlfriend. You told Omobotsi that because Dino was toasting Omobotsi as at that time. I don't know if they did though, but all we heard was that they dated. But I don't know. I let you know that they dated. So I don't know if it is true. But that thing being Yabo, Yabo was like, the Bible voice notes here. Oh God, what's great about to play? Voice notes here, where you like I play? You this person, you are a bad person, you are this. Do you know I'm telling you? My shit the phone, my shit the phone. But you go in the machine the phone, no machine to be for being. I don't know if he did it though, because in that time, in fact, to me, but I Dino. In fact, Dino to look at this on the phone one time. You know the way Baba Mohbad used to do me. Dino told me that Dino said, you will be surprised when by the time you see me with, I will use it to eat Amala. I will use But so I saw that time it was a tough one. But that thing pained Yabo. That Dino taught her and was telling everyone that, Yabo was not a girlfriend, that she was just player or don't pass with you. But then, Yabo confided in a friend. Yabo confided in a friend. And since that voice note, you know that this useless Dino, I've sent a message to him. Just listen to the message. Now, Omobotsi kept that voice note for a day of Ija. That thing taught us so well. In fact, it taught me a lesson that time. That you don't trust anybody. There is no best friend anywhere. Your boo gets it boo. By the time you are saying, Funke is my best friend, I go and give my secret to Funke. And Funke don't go and share the secret with another friend. You can't share with that Desmond. Me, I don't want trouble. So, I don't have secrets. My secret is on the internet. It's here. You want to hear it? It's here. Now, that time was tough. Now this happened. What really caused the problem at that time was that this Omobish, Yabo, you remember that time? You remember my auntie Kem. You don't be auntie Kem. Green uniform, that time was because of Iyabo. Iyabo had a personal assistant, a PA, that messed Iyabo's business up, and Iyabo, sent her away, sacked her. And after sacking her, you're welcome. Share the show so that I can get a gift. Yeah, Iyabo now sacked that girl, that best friend, because that best friend, that's PA, bad PA, very bad PA. She was selling Iyabo's Eja Tutu, and we put that one inside the freezer, and she kept it inside. So Iyabo now sacked that girl. When Iyabo sacked that girl, she was still friends with Omoprish, according to what we heard. They might have been having issues. Naturally, friends do have issues. Like I do have friends that we have issues with. But that issue is just like normal one. So, they mean anything, So, they've been having issues, I guess. But as at that time, they were still friends. Omoprish lives here in the UK. She goes home. I remember when she bought her house, it was Iyabo that brought it to the internet to congratulate her friends, and she was happy for her friend and all that. So that is the kind of friendship they had. So when this bad, when that's PA, when Iyabo started that PA, this Omoprish that calls herself bestie was accommodating that very girl, not in the accommodation of house, but Princess Goldilocks have always been online. But now I'll be on this page. This page God has blessed us. Just happen to be thanking God on this page so that they don't say bad mouths again. It's becoming a good page for me. Now, Omoprish Tish now was closer to that friend. Do you know what took my auntie to prison? It was that girl, that bad PA. She was the one that sent a text message to Auntie Kem Ajimot, that Iyabo was dating Pastor Kun. So she mixed the pastor with Pastor Suleiman. The gist is that Iyabo dated Pastor Suleiman, Apostle Suleiman. So while you mix them more, Ibiyomi of Port Harcourt or something. So Auntie Kem, don't get the story. Investigative journalists. Nobody, I want to investigate me. So it was this very PA that did that thing, that sent the message. She wanted to finish Iyabo. Ojo, what kind of a staff do you have? Now, for somebody that has done that kind of a thing to your friend, no, me and you, between you and I, will you now make that kind of a PA that your friend has sacked? Will you now put that one to Yoda? Please, she put Yoda in that sense. But I don't know why she did it to. But allegedly, with the Uwamu or Tayabo Uwamura, Iyabo felt bad about it. This is a girl that almost ruined my business, took me out of business, and now did a thing like that by, portraying me as a prostitute that I was sleeping with Pastor Ibiyomi, man of God.
Oh God.
You are welcome. Hear this show. It was when Auntie Kem came out of her womb that she now said it was Iyabo's PA that sends that message to Auntie Kem. Now, that very good, that very friend, you now took her as Omadbo. Okoyemi Aduni is a lie. You said, Okoyemi Aduni said, Nagasai, do you believe Auntie Kem went on Twitter and apologized to Wunmi? It's a lie.
Yeah.
Can you share it with me?
Seriously?
This life, be careful of one. I think you need on you need to that's get the next one. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Ìyábọ̀ nìyẹn pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ka sọ́ọ̀ṣì. Ìyábọ̀ now felt betrayed and called her friend. How can you be doing that? How can you accommodate a person that I sent away that almost ruined my business? Ìyábọ̀ ṣẹ̀bẹ̀ o. Ó pe ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rẹ́ pé no, you shouldn't have done that. Then I heard that according to you, alleging you, that the friend said, well, she might be bad to you, but she's not bad to me. Wow. So I think they started having issues as at that time. Then, remember, Iyabo said it some time ago that her mom had mental health issue. The same friend, according to Otagbongbani, was the one that came out to tell the whole world through that voice note that, do you know Iyabo Ojo's mom has mental health issues? In fact, she said she had bipolar, that of course, Otimo secrets me as a friend. My mom might have mental health issue. Like I said, mental health issue is just like physical health issue. It's no big deal. All you need is medication, therapy, and all that to work with it. But in Nigeria, you'll be victimized, you'll be, and at that time, she was the one that told everything about Iyabo. Stigmatized. Thank you, Jare. Stigmatized Iyabo. And yet the same thing, no one, most people they will stigmatize you for being diagnosed of mental health. It's been a very, very long time. How are you? You're welcome. So, they will stigmatize you, they will traumatize you. And that is why most people do not go to the hospital even when they know that they are going through depression, ordinary depression. Which is not good. Now, let's go to the real gist. After the time they were friends, they now parted ways. After that one, Iyabo Sheleya, Facebook, in fact, we should show you part 1 and 2 person boyini. Iyabo, to them obey, we were all like that. You know how this guy was calling among the Yoruba artists. Just like, the way they said Uluomo is doing every one of them. That's how Dino is. In fact, Dino ni Baba Japo Nollywood artists, especially the Yoruba ones. That is what we heard that time, remember? So, exactly what to say then. So the whole internet caught fire that month because of that exposure from Bestie. They parted ways. But before they parted ways, they had a deal. What was that deal? There was a film they made together as friends. Like I told you, Omo Beach moved to the UK. She used to be in Nigeria, but she moved permanently to UK, has a good career here. In fact, she's my colleague. She's a social worker. She's actually a social worker, She's a social worker. So, Omobish, era classes, social worker, Omobish, Okawi. So, Omobish now, they had a deal when they were together. Like, Iyabo is a very, very popular Nollywood artist. My one and only beautiful, sexylicious babe. So Iyabo is a sexylicious Nollywood artist. And Tobani Ori Iyabo Iyabo friend who has moved to the UK. Well, she's doing well on her own side. She's a social worker. She's a career woman. She's she's a skilled worker. She's a professional, like I don't care. She's a fine girl, like I don't care. So, yeah, you see, man, you can't with my friendship. Friendship will be a totally long guy. I want you on Facebook. So that one now, they had a deal. While they were friends, they did a film together. Because only about one bed, you see, British when it comes to film industry. Nígbà tá a máa ń ṣe fíìmù yẹn, ẹgbẹ́ tó máa fi wá wá ṣe ni bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, and so, etc. Òun ni àwa nígbà yẹn. But British òun tẹ̀ ṣe, at least ó ṣe few, nítorí tó fi ń jẹ́ British tì ní nìyẹn. So, because of the fact that Yabo is a known artist, she's got more popularity than her friend. So the friend had a concept of, okay, let's do a film. They had a film together. It was after they parted ways that they started having issues about that film. So, British, I think she had larger part of the money to Bastille. So they did the film together. As executive producer, like me now, I'm a big girl. I'm a rich girl in Jesus' name. If I want to do film now, they cannot do shakara for me in the film industry. Tomani will find by. Listen, what fine budget. Listen, what choose budget. And I want to give them money. I can give money to Abelangi, to my film, by my producer, Abelangi. I want to do a film. I want to be the executive producer because so it was Omobish that gave the money. I guess she gave the larger part of the money. And let me start charging this film. Totolo, phone to she why mommy but she fine. I are doing well. That boy is a good shot. The shadow of God will clean be telling me that. Push me, where have I got the push? The matter that they now had that film together. So they both agreed. I guess in principle, that's where I don't know how they're going to do it now. She did the lead role. I think two of them did the lead roles. They did the lead roles. And they had the film, they acted the film together. Yabo Ojo was supposed to be just a producer. The main person should be the executive producer. That's Entoko Wosile. To be concept film Yesile. But only to be Yabo Ojo has a bigger name in that industry. She gave Yabo Ojo the authority to be the producer. But while she is the executive producer, Kimafo Nipa Towaja. Before then, Yabo now had a premiere of that film. YouTube. The premiere, Lore Bani, number one, she wanted to do the premiere, she didn't invite her, she didn't tell her, but at the end of it, she told her and she came to Lagos and they had the premiere. And when they got there, Yabo Oba Joju, Oba Kosi, producer Yabo Ojo. Nothing like Omobish. Omobish was like, what is happening? What is happening? My name is not even there at all. But when they started having problems, Thomas Sierra Musile, In fact, we didn't even, for a very long time, I don't think we heard anything about the film again. Iyabo Ojo has a problem at the moment. Iyabo is having so many issues, like, and man so I can remember that since that time of Baba Ijisha, she has not had it good with Nigerians. Reason best known to them, for me, I guess she did what she did, and I stand by her that she did well. Because a predator, a child abuser, a pedophile has no place in our society, no matter how you think about it. Omodufa Abdulhamid, okay. Omodufa Lebino. So, no matter how you look at it, she came out as the mother to stand for those people, the children that were molested by Baba Ijisha. Whether you like it or not, everybody with their own opinion. You know, on this platform, I allow people with their opinions. I don't care. My opinion about that is that Baba Ijisha did not do well. That means so for her to stand up, people felt she overreacted to that thing, and so many people felt she was the one that sent Baba Ijisha to prison. No, she wasn't. According to alleged that all the other ones that Baba Ijisha, all the mothers that Baba Ijisha, molested their children were in court to testify against him. Social media ranting of Iyabo wouldn't have taken Baba Ijisha to prison. Remember, I know people said she and Tomu Abokusoro were there. Do you understand? To say no, nobody will say money. But that's not the issue. And then the Labour Party issue too, because she decided to follow her own mind. She decided to vote and campaign for who she feels or for the party she feels will do it better. I think that one too. Most Yorubas feel that, she has not done well as at that time. Do you understand? Yes, they had substantial evidence to send somebody to prison. Thank you. So, my darling, Iyabo has not had it very good. And then the issue at stake now, which is that of Mohbad. She actually has been on the front line, and they are standing their feet concerning, look, that boy must get justice whichever way, and people in Labour, we must encourage dignity in Labour. That look, come yes, and we call it sense. You understand? So she's had issues, but unfortunately, and I'm sure she's handling it because I guess she's got that thick skin. And like some of us cannot take so many things that she's going through. You understand? But it doesn't really matter. She's an actress. She's a celebrity. Celebrities, we talk about them, and that is what my platform, part of my Amebo gist is always on celebrities. If you're not a celebrity, you cannot hear your name on my platform. But a celebrity, you understand? You say Abdul Hamid, Nigeria said she did that out of spite. Wasn't she a Lagos State ambassador as at that time? I don't know, honestly. But for her to have campaigned for another party, she must have seen some things. Like, people wanted change. Don't let us don't let us deceive ourselves. People wanted change during that election period, especially the youths. But that's not where we're going now. We now heard it that Iyabo has been sued. Money sued, get by me, want to sue Iyabo. I thought Iyabo is the one suing. Suing. Now, let's read what we heard.
What's soon on here?
British sues Iyabo. UK-based best friend àti kí wọ́n ti sún Ìyábọ̀ o.
Ó bá tán.
UK-based movie producer Tosin Abiola, also known as Omo British, a former bestie of Nollywood actress Iyabo Ojo, has allegedly sued her for claiming sole ownership of the movie Under the Carpet. That's the name of the movie, Under the Carpet. Iyabo, I guess, had alleged that she's trying so much to claim sole ownership of nǹkan tí ò ṣe, that is bí ìgbà tẹ́gbẹ́ ló fẹ́ fi ọgbọ́n olè gba nǹkan ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé allegedly ni o. I'm reading what they wrote ni o. Please don't say it's Àjọkẹ́ that told you. Wọ́n ní Ìyábọ̀ fẹ́ fi ọgbọ́n àìbò àmọ́kọ́rọ́ ẹgbọ́n olè gba tí ò ṣe tiẹ̀ tó ìbò yẹn sọ nìyẹn. We all legit had reported that Iyabo and Omo British has fallen out, like I said in the first instance. Omo British or Omo British. Omo British no man pay. That's the film she did, Omo British. But Omo British no man pay. But that's British. So like Omo British, Omo British. She has fallen out, like I explained in the first instance, in the office a few years ago. Iyabo has stated that Omo British was shading her over her mother's illness, like I explained earlier on. Iyabo sọ pé Omo British ń fi àwọn ọpọlọ ìyá òun bú òun. Omo British allegedly went to court to stop her former bestie from streaming her movie on Ibaka TV. After she claimed full ownership of the film, the UK producer has reportedly conceptualized the film and footed the bill for its production. It was Omo British concept in the first place. It was Omo British that used her own hard-earned money from the UK to visit our mom to man. So she invested in a film and used her friend, her best friend, to be a co-producer. And her friend has now taken that particular film. She has taken that particular film to Ibaka TV app so that the more they stream the film, the Owotobali goes to Iyabo Ojo on her own. Anyway, after Omo British said she was the one that funded the whole project, Iyabo said that Omo British said she was to be executive producer, while Iyabo was to be the producer. However, Iyabo, who is a part of the cast of the ongoing TV series, The Real Housewives of Lagos, allegedly took over and started claiming both the executive producer and producer of the movie. I don't know if it is true, but if that is true, that is not nice. No. Iyabo cannot claim ownership of the except there are things that we don't know. That's a proviso. Because they might say something and it might be different totally until they go to court, because in the post cited online, it was claimed that the actress staged a movie premiere without the consent of Omo British, and she allegedly released the movie at the cinema. So according to what I can do, but they release film here without Omo British consent. Remember, Omo British said she was the one that gave the money for the project. She reportedly didn't credit Omo British and also didn't give an account of the revenue generated from the film. One thing that kò give account sí owó báyìí la rí lórí fíìmù yìí o, iye báyìí la rí o, wọ́n ní Ìyábọ̀ kan pa gbogbo ẹ̀ mọ́ra ni. Kò dẹ̀ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ pé Omo British were part of the production, that she is the executive producer. Wípé kó fẹ́ jẹ́ Omo British pa ni, kàkà àmúnìyàn ò dẹ̀ dákẹ́ yẹn, ká àti ẹ̀gbọ́n ọmọ British náà ṣe ìké burúkú lọ́mọ British ṣe òun ló dàrí gbogbo yín wú. Ó dà pé àìsí mi kọ́ nìyí ni òun ló dàrí yín nǹkan burúkú ló ṣe. Adédọ́lá, are you calling me in? Dàgbà ń tí lélẹ̀ náà. Ṣó ti yé yín? Now, they said, ọmọ British. UK, so this is the letter from the courts now. UK-based movie producer Omo British, renamed Tosi Abiola, has dragged her former best friend, actress Iyabo Ojo, and Ibaka Entertainment Limited to court for claiming sole ownership of a movie under the carpet. Now that she has taken that movie to Ibaka, Omo Iwa lọ sue ẹ kíákíá pé ó ní bá tèmi jẹ́, you and Ibaka, I will sue you to court because that film belongs to me. Omo British dragged Ojo to Federal High Court, Lagos, sued Kinikon, seeking an injunction to stop her from streaming the film on Ibaka TV app. In the suit, Abiola is the plaintiff, while Ojo is the defendant and first respondent and Ibaka Entertainment. Court documents and affidavits deposed to Alfred Temitayo Ogunfe of the law firm of Habib Oredola and Associates show that the plaintiff, applicant Abiola conceptualized the idea of financing a movie to be produced in Nigeria and shared the idea with the first defendants. After which the party agreed to the movie under the carpet. Nǹkan tó ṣàǹsọ náà ni pé wọ́n ti kó àwọn méjì ọmọ British ó ti kó Ìyábọ̀ àti Ìbákà lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́. According to the court papers, to the chagrin of Abiola, Ojo, after the production of the movie, credited and represented herself as the executive producer and producer of the movie. Who does that?
Nobody does that.
She's a liar. No.
No. Yeah, no, nice. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Wọ́n náà ti wọ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lọ sí court lórí pé ó fẹ́ jí múfì onímúfì. Ṣé ti rí pé what goes around comes around. Ẹ wo bí tó ti bá wọ lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́. Àìmọye nǹkan míì náà tó tún ṣe máa tún fi wọ lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́ o. Torí gbogbo àwọn atrocity tó ti kọ̀bẹ́tì sẹ́yìn wọn ò lè lọ scot-free. Torí pé Ọlọ́run ọba adákẹ́dájọ́ ọba ẹ̀san ni. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí information tí mo rí lélẹ́yìí tí mo ní kí n sáré wá fi tó yín létí ẹ jẹ́ bá mi share fídíò yìí kẹ́lẹ́ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe ni o ẹ subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV kẹ́lẹ́ comment kí lè rọkàn tí yín kí lè yín rò ẹ comment kẹ́lẹ́ like mo tún padà bọ̀ ire o.